Diaries and self-reported checklists. The definition: participants capture experiences in real time, not later in questionnaires. And people tend to forget after some time the experiences that they went through. Used to supplement other data collection, so this is on top of. Use when you want to capture information about events in people's daily lives. Purpose, especially here for the checklist, is in between a questionnaire and a diary. Is not as structured as a questionnaire and is not as open as a diary. Done over a period of time to capture the event or behavior, and this is most commonly used in the medical field. Checklist is more quantitative approach than a diary. So it's kind of semi quantitative where you are forcing them just to have a tick on a huge list on a paper about the feeling, the pain. The evaluator specifies a list of behaviors or events and asks the respondents to complete the checklist. Regarding the process of the diary and self-reported checklist, we have to look at the three phases or three main items. First, to recruit people face to face to encourage participation. Of course, you have to assure them confidentiality because they are maybe putting a lot of private stuff on their diaries. Provide incentives, and this is also very common in the medical field about the trying of a new medicine, for example. Provide a booklet to each participant. This is number two. Of course, we need a cover page with a clear instruction how they want to fill the booklet, definitions, example like short memory jogger to help them remember. Explain terms, comments on last page if they want to add any extra comments, and then of course the calendar, starting date and end date. We also have to consider the time, the data collection time. If it's too long, may become burden or tedious. If it's too short, maybe you will miss the behavior or the event that you're trying to capture. Let's now look at the advantages and challenges of using diaries and self-reported checklists. Advantages: can capture in-depth, which is really good, detailed data that might be otherwise forgotten over time. Number two, can collect data on how people use their time, can collect sensitive information, supplement interview, provide richer data. So this will be in addition to an interview. You might give this one as a additional task for them to do. Also, of course, we have a lot of challenges that required some literacy. May change behavior because now you are self-monitoring person, and this probably will push you to be more positive sometimes. Require commitment and self-discipline to complete this task over and over on a daily basis. Data may be incomplete or inaccurate. You forgot one day to document. This is an issue. Poor handwriting and difficult to understand the phrases sometimes, especially in the open-ended questions.